Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing 30 questions of science which are taken from the CTET Paper 2. So these questions are important from exam point of view also. Without wasting time, let's move on to the first question. First question is, the image of a distant colored object formed in a pinhole camera is always real, inverted, colored and diminished. Fourth one will be the correct option here. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टडी द फॉलोइंग टेबल्स. तो यहाँ पर पार्ट्स ऑफ स्टेमन गिवन है, पार्ट्स ऑफ पिस्टल गिवन है. यू हैव टू चूज़ कि कौन से करेक्टली लिखे हुए हैं. ठीक है, सो यू नो दैट कि स्टेमन के पार्ट्स होते हैं एंथर एंड द फिलामेंट, एंड पिस्टल के पार्ट होते हैं स्टिग्मा स्टाइल ओवरी. सो यहाँ पर आप फर्स्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो देख रहे हो कि स्टेमन के पार्ट्स दिए गए एंथर फिलामेंट एंड पिस्टल जिसे हम गाइनोशियम भी कहते हैं. सो उसके पार्ट्स दिए गए हैं ओवरी स्टिग्मा style. Next question. If you carefully dig a grass plant and observe its roots and leaves, you will find that it has fibrous roots and parallel venation. Fourth one will be the correct option here. Next question is, an animal pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft material of those animals which are covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. After opening the shell and eating the soft material, the stomach goes back into the body of the animal to slowly digest the food. The name of this animal is starfish. Fourth one will be the correct option here. Next question is, the ratio between the lengths of small intestine and large intestine in the human body is 5:1. Second one will be the correct option here. Next question is, the normal temperature of human body on the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scales is respectively. So Celsius scale का आपको होता है 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड Fahrenheit scale का होता है 98.6 डिग्री Fahrenheit. So option A will be the correct one here. Next question is, select a group of poor conductors of heat from the following. ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत बार रिपीट होता है एग्जाम में. इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एयर, वाटर एंड प्लास्टिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, the reason of sea breeze is. So during the day the land gets heated faster than the sea water. First one will be the correct option here. Next question is, you have phenolphthalein solution in 3 test tubes A, B and C. On putting 2 to 3 drops of dilute hydrochloric acid in a solution of sodium hydroxide in B and distilled water in C, if you immediately observe the color of the solution in each test tube, you will find that the solution in test tube, so A is colorless, in B pink and in C colorless. So here first one will be the correct option. Next question is, a student puts a drop of dilute solution of sodium hydroxide first on a blue litmus paper and then on a red litmus paper. He would observe that there is no change in blue litmus paper and the red litmus paper turns blue. Second one will be the correct option. Next question is, if we add a handful of garden soil to a beaker filled 3/4 with water, stir the contents with a stick to dissolve the soil and then let it stand undisturbed for some time, we observe different layers. The order of these layers from the bottom to the top is, so gravel, sand, clay, water, humus. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next question is, cereals such as wheat and gram are sown in an area. The soil of this area must be clay and loamy. Fourth one will be the correct option here. Next question is, when a copper plate is exposed to moist air for long, it acquires a dull green coating. The green material is, so the green material is a mixture of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Fourth one will be the correct option here. Next question is 74th. In which of the following units is the calorific value of fuels generally expressed? So kilojoules per kilogram. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next question is, the metamorphosis of tadpoles is not possible if the water in which they are growing does not contain sufficient iodine. Third one will be the correct option. Next question is, which of the following commonly used fuels has maximum calorific value? Liquefied petroleum gas. Third one will be the correct option. Next question is, air is a mixture of many gases. The percentage by volume of the gases other than nitrogen and oxygen, that is CO2, methane, argon, ozone and water vapor combined together is 1%. Second one will be the correct option here. Next question, which of the following endocrine glands secretes sugar controlling hormone? So pancreas, second one will be the correct option here. Next question is, select the one which is different from the others in the manner it is applied. So correct option is frictional force. Next question is, a person is suffering from a disease named goiter. Which of the following glands of the person is not functioning properly? So thyroid. Fourth one will be the correct option here. Next question is, good science education should be true to the child implies that science we teach should be understandable to the child. Third one will be the correct option. Next question, while teaching correct method of measuring volume of a solid using a measuring cylinder, Kavita mentions the following step not in correct sequence to be followed. So यहाँ पर आपके sequence दिया गया है, you have to arrange it in correct order. So सबसे पहले यहाँ पर आपका third आ जाएगा, that is record the least count of the measuring cylinder. After that, put sufficient water in the cylinder and note the reading. After that, suspend the solid with a thread inside water in the cylinder. And fourth one is note the reading of level of water in the cylinder. So third, fourth, second, first, it will be the correct option. So here option third will be the correct one here. After that, question number 83 is, Vandana is interested to focus more on acquisition of process skills of science by students of class 8th. Which of the following combination of methods should she prefer to teach the topic on microorganisms? So here correct option is project cum laboratory method. Next question is, which one of the following is the key expectation from teaching and learning of science at upper primary stage? Correct option is to acquire questioning and inquiring skills. Next question is, National Curriculum Framework 2005 recommends that science education at upper primary stage should focus on helping students to connect classroom learning to life outside the school. Next question is, cognitive validity of science curriculum at upper primary stage implies that it should be age appropriate. Second one will be the correct option. Next question is, the topic separation of substances in class 6th can be taught most effectively by using hands-on activities to be performed by the students. Second one will be the correct option. Next question, the term constructivism in relation to science education means that children should be actively involved in the process of learning science. Second one will be the correct option. Next question is, Anjali asked the following tasks to be performed by students of class 7th while making an electromagnet, not in correct sequence. So here correct option is wind a copper wire tightly around an iron nail. Next is connect free end of the wire to the terminals of a cell. Third is place some pins near the end of a nail. And fourth is switch on the current and observe what happens. So here correct option will be second. Third, fourth, one, second. Last question is, while teaching the topic on motion and time to class 7 students, Savita got examples of different kinds of motion to the students. Which of the following example was quoted by her incorrectly? So correct option is motion of the hammer of an electric bell. So that's all for today. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.